What's up, YouTubers? YGuy406, and today I'm just going to be showing you how to make these out of PVC. They're like dueling swords, I guess. Handheld. Very easy. I just took guesses at measurements when I was doing this, so I can't give you exact measurements. Well, if I can find a ruler, maybe. Let me look. Okay, so what you're first going to do, well, you need PVC, of course, and electrical tape, and you'll need a lot. I wasted my, because I had like half a roll, so I wasted my half a roll on this. And some of my second one. I made two. You're going to need a lot of PVC pipe, as you can tell, because I'd say roughly about 20... No, probably about 10 feet, maybe. I don't know. Maybe less than that. Okay, so the easiest part, well, first you're going to need, for one, you're going to need 2 elbows and 1 T. Or a 4-way. A 4-way works better because you can put this in without hot gluing it. But the bad thing about the 4-way is you need it bigger than your hand. Because I just measured this with my hand and I hot glued it on. So if you're just going to use the T, you have to use hot glue when you make it the size of your hand. Like so. The measurements for it are... Okay, you're going to want to cut the side 3 3/4 or 3.5 inches, roughly, whatever size you prefer. And you can or can't slant it, or you don't have to, it doesn't matter, but I slanted it. And you're going to need to cut 2 of these for 1 sword. Then you cut one. Wait, this one's looser. Then you're going to want to cut one roughly 10 1/4, probably. And that's it. So once you're done cutting, you put, and you're going to need 2 pieces of PVC about 2 inches. So to build the hilt, and then you're going to need 1 piece of PVC about as big as your fist, or as big as your hand, so that you can hold it to your size. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your T, then you're going to take your 2 inches of PVC pipe and stick them in the T. Then you're going to take your elbows and stick the elbows into the PVC. Then you put your 2 pieces of, I think I said 3.5 inch PVC right here, and you put your 1 piece of 10 1/4 inch PVC in the middle. Like I said, you do or you don't have to make the slants. I just did that. Probably safer to make them flat, but anyway, you take your hand piece, the one that's the size of your hand, and you hot glue. If you don't have a 4-way, you hot glue it to the bottom, and then put electrical tape on it, Or you don't have to, you could use any kind of tape or no tape. You probably do have to put some like here on the handle so that the handle stays nice and firm. But it's nice and strong, like with the hot glue. And there you go. Your dueling swords. Very good.